This is a Dorsey Steel Giant Flatbed Trailer with a forklift kit. Available now at Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. Midco Sales is an authorized Dorsey trailer dealer, and this unit is built for serious hauling with the added ability to carry a forklift. This trailer measures 45 feet long and 102 inches wide with an 80,000-pound gross vehicle weight rating. It has a 30-inch kingpin setting, tapered front with a 1/4-inch upper coupler plate. The main frame uses 26-inch I-beams, 6-inch side rails, and 4-inch steel I-beam floor sills. Up front, there's a 48-inch removable steel bulkhead. The big highlight is the forklift hauling kit. This universal package works with Moffett and Princeton Forklifts. It includes 4-foot fork guides and a folding bumper to make loading and carrying your forklift simple and secure. Behind the landing gear is an aluminum toolbox for some extra storage. For cargo control, you've got sliding winch tracks on both sides, 12 zinc-coated winches, and stake pockets. This trailer rides on Tandem axles and Hendrickson air ride suspension. It rolls on Firestone tires mounted on polished aluminum outer wheels. This Dorsey Flatbed with forklift kit is available now at Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. Visit midcosales.com for full specs and pricing.